Hello, billionaires. Welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Malaji. I trust that you guys are living the life that you want to live. I trust that you are happy with where you are, and I trust that you are not giving a damn about what people think about you, how you do, what you do, how you walk, how you look. You are just not giving a damn about what people think. Um, Something interesting just happened before I started recording. My daughter is helping me assemble this. So while just before I started recording, I was like busy fixing my hair like this. I was just doing this to my hair. My daughter said, "Mama, don't worry, don't worry about what people think about your hair." I was like, wow, actually yes. Because this is something that I've been teaching her for some time now. Like I've started teaching her how to not give a damn about what people think about her. Like she should not just give a damn about what people think about her. So I'm so glad that she has started teaching me as well. Yeah, so guys, I trust that you are living the life that you want to live. Today I wanted to talk about the the universal law. I want to talk about the universal law. I want to talk about the law that it applies to anyone. Like it's the law that works for anyone who uses it. It is a law that cannot be broken by anything. It is a law that cannot be broken by witches, if you believe in them. It is a law that can't be broken by pastors. It is a law that can't be broken by Satan. It is a law that's available for each and everyone. It is the universal law. It is the law of attraction. It obviously comes with a lot of things, and the things that I've mentioned that I'm saying that they can't be broken by those things, which are pastors, your sangomas, if you believe in witchcraft, if you believe in that. So it's your sangomas, your witchcrafts, like anything that you believe in. Those things can hinder. They can shift your focus. They can shift your focus, and your focus is the most important thing that this law is about. You know, the focus is the very, like, it's actually the law. Actually the law is focus. So yeah, those things can shift your focus. They can deter you, but the law remains there. You know, it really cannot be broken by anyone. It really cannot be broken by anyone. The law of attraction, guys, what you think about is so important. The law of attraction is the ability to think about something, and that thing automatically comes to you. That's the law of attraction. You know, the law of attraction is actually you being in the very same frequency as the thing that you want. You know, okay, frequency is a very deep, way of putting it, but you being aligned, I don't know if you understand, but I know that it makes sense to the people who are ready to hear this. But you being aligned with whatever it is that you want is the law. You know, you cannot be wanting a good life. You cannot be wanting a good life. Like, that is what you want for yourself. But you are currently thinking about the bad life that you assume you're in. You know, you must realize that that bad life that you think you are living at that moment is something that you have created as well. Yeah, that situation is actually created by you. And it's unfortunate because we always think that whatever is holding us back is the forces outside, is the people outside us. We always want to shift the responsibility of who is responsible for you. And yes, as much as those forces exist, but they cannot access you. I don't know if I'm making sense. They cannot access your soul. They cannot access that. Yes, they can access your physical self. They can access your thoughts. They can program you in another way, and that's the only way they can actually distract you. But they cannot break the law. They cannot break the power that you have to attract and build the life that you want. You know, they cannot take away from that. They cannot take away from your natural power of attracting whatever it is that you want. It can't. It's not possible. You know. So the law of attraction says that what you think about, you get. What you want, you get. Like that's basically it. You get what you want. But then in order for you to get what you want, you need to be thinking about what is it that you want. You need to be somehow acting on it. You know, you cannot want something just in your mind. You cannot just want it. You have to want it, but you have to be working on getting it. You know, that's where the law of attraction comes in. Once you start working on it, you get more opportunities to work on it further. And the more opportunities you get, the more opportunities that you get, you know, and all those opportunities are gonna get you to this one goal that you want. The trick is that you have to be happy with where you are. You have to take responsibility and realize that you are the one who has created that situation. You are the one who has chosen that life. The life that you are living now, you chose it for you. No one else is responsible for your life, and no one else put you in that situation beside yourself. This is a tough realization, guys, but it's where responsibility starts, you know. Take responsibility of your life, guys. If you want something, believe in the law of attraction. Start working on whatever it is that you want, and you will see that as you work on it, you get your goal becomes more possible, and it becomes more like you can see that actually this is actually possible. This is the life that I'm gonna live. And the moment you cognize the life that you want, and the moment you are in alignment, I know this is a bit deep, but the moment you are in alignment with the life that you want, and it's the moment that things start happening, you know. And to get to this alignment, unfortunately, you need to be working on it, you know. Yeah, I know this is deep, but guys, the law of attraction works. It's available for all of us. What you think about, you get. The situation that you are currently in, you've thought yourself into that situation. It's all in your mind. You always have control, you know. So that's why I always say that it's so important to be present. But that's another video for another day, guys. So if you want a certain job, guys, if you are looking for a certain post, you've been applying for this job for a very long time, you can't just apply and let it go. You know, it does not work like that. Yes, you take your CV and you start researching about the post that you want to get. You know, you start making some research, you know, start Googling about maybe how much you're gonna get paid there. You know, the next day you Google about the sort of attire that you'll be needed to wear. Like, you need to be constantly working on this. And another thing is, you need to be calling those people and inquire. Take some responsibility, you know. You need to be able to focus on the thing that you want. Focus is so important. That's why I always say focus on your focus. Focus is so important. And you know, the law of attraction, guys, it's never wrong. As I said, that the situation that you're in right now is something that you have created for yourself. So I don't know how to put this, but just focus on your focus. You really need to focus, guys. You really need to focus on whatever it is that you want. No matter how bad the situation is right now, realize that that situation was created by you. And if that situation is created by you, it means you can create a better situation, you know. So start creating a better situation for yourself. Start working on whatever it is that you want in for yourself, for your life. Start working on it. Start doing some research. Start rubbing shoulders with the people who are working wherever that you want to work, or the people who are doing whatever it is that you want to do. I hope, baby, check your phone. Is it still fine? Okay. Just check if it's still recording. Still recording. Okay, I love your hair. Your hair is very nice. Pleasure, baby. So yes, guys, you need to align yourself with whatever it is that you want. Sorry, I got distracted. I thought that I had stopped recording. So guys, if you're in a place where you've lost hope about where you are in life, I think this is the perfect situation to try this out and see if it actually works. I mean, you've got nothing to lose if you think that you are in that situation. I mean, you've got nothing to lose if you think that you are at your lowest like the lowest level of your life. I think it's time for you to try the law of attraction. You've got nothing to lose anyway. What is it that you want? Write it down, or just think about it. What is it that you want, and how are you gonna work on attaining it? Start working on it, and let's see what happens. I'm also on that, what do you call it? I've not programmed. I've challenged myself to actually work with the law of attraction, and I can say that the feeling is a lot more different, and the energy is a lot more different. The thinking is a lot more different, because somehow you are able to focus. You've challenged yourself to focus on this thing, and you are actually focusing on it, and the law of attraction just wants you to focus. And the moment you start focusing on it, the more things happen that lead you to that goal. So guys, I'm challenging you. Let's try it out. I've started trying it out, and I can really say that it really works. It really works. As I said, that in most cases it's all about the feeling. It's all about the feeling. So guys, thank you so much for watching this channel. And for business people, ask yourself, where do you want to see your business in the next year, in the next 2 years, in the next 3 years? Write that goal down and start working on those goals. Let's see. There's no point in writing things down and not working on them. So let's work on the things that we want, and while working for those things, be in a state of, the law of attraction says, I just need to work for it. You don't have to believe it, but do it. You don't have to believe it, but do it. And the more you do it, the more you'll start to believe it. So thank you guys for watching my video. This one was a bit not too deep, but it was a bit spiritual, because we are really spiritual people. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribing, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like my Instagram page. It's @uyigugu, which means you are precious. See what I did there? Yeah, please like my subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys. Bye.